Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you two very easy things to do, but some people has a difficult to do. The first is the change language. The second is the put the micro SIM card into your phone. So let's start with the language. You go to settings, go to advanced settings here, and here for language, first option language, and here you're gonna add language. Take Deutschland, and we can put the Deutsch language. As you see, it's very difficult, I think, language anyway. Go back to English. Yes. And now when you have a language proper on your phone, you can put the SIM in your phone. The SIM is right here. You have to get a tool to enter this little hole and put it around. As you see, we have a place for our SIM. The SIM gonna put here, and second SIM gonna put here. Also you can hit here the micro SD card also too. So two options, two SIM card or SIM card and a memory card. After that, put this on place, and voila, our phone gonna work now with SIM card. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can tap sub, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!